Mountains are more than picturesque landscapes. They are vital for our planet's well-being. Covering 27% of Earth's surface, mountains serve as crucial water towers, biodiversity hubs, and climate regulators. Yet these essential ecosystems are at significant risk due to climate change and human impact. Nearly 15% of the global population lives in mountainous regions, which are the origin points of many major rivers worldwide. Mountains supply essential resources supporting both local and global populations. Despite their generosity, mountains are among the most sensitive regions to climate change. They provide some of the clearest indicators of global warming, with glaciers receding at alarming rates. Globally, glaciers are losing over 335 billion tons of ice each year, contributing significantly to sea level rise. This trend is evident in Kyrgyzstan as well. Over the past 50 years, more than 20% of our glaciers have melted, and half of the Tian Shan glaciers may disappear by 2050. The impact of climate change reverberates beyond mountains, triggering global consequences. Hunger is on the rise as agricultural yields diminish. Extinction of biodiversity accelerates destabilizing ecosystems. Food security is jeopardized, and natural disasters become more frequent and severe, devastating lives and livelihoods around the world. Soil and pasture degradation make it increasingly difficult to sustain our population, especially with frequent and severe droughts in southern regions. Kyrgyzstan has adopted a 5-year roadmap for sustainable and resilient mountain development. President Sadyr Japarov committed to carbon neutrality by 2050 during the Glasgow COP. Despite contributing minimally to global GHG emissions, we are dedicated to achieving global climate goals. At COP28 in Dubai, he reiterated the importance of supporting mountain countries and emphasized our commitment to sustainable development. Kyrgyzstan, the water tower of Central Asia, depends heavily on hydropower. The water from our mountains is crucial not only for our energy security, but also for our neighbours. Agriculture, which consumes 90% of our water resources, is particularly hard hit by inefficient land use and uneven water distribution. However, we cannot do it alone. We need targeted support from the international community. Actions in Kyrgyzstan for a climate-resilient future benefit not only our people, but also the entire Central Asia region and the global population. We are all in this together. There is no Planet B for us and no Plan B for climate action. The time to act is now, and we need your support to adapt and thrive in these changing conditions. From the heart of the Nomad region, we call upon you to join us in safeguarding our mountain ecosystems. Together, we can ensure a resilient and sustainable future for all.